Kakanta na si Nice one, Chris. Chris, introduce mo yung video natin. Video. Kakanta sila din. Yeah. DJ ka
Chris from UST Architecture, and
Yes.
I would like to
Introduce.
the next
Special
video.
song number by-
It's a special song number by the Diwata and Betsy between the sisters. It's for their parents' wedding anniversary. Yun po natin.
Yeah. Ganyan yan. Oy, mabuti. Nagpicturean.
Picturean pa.
Pumunta kayo.
Picture muna.
Lily and Betsy. So, how are you? How do you feel now? Do you have a message for your mom and dad?
Ano mo?
Betsy?
Ano mo, kawawa rin yung mga nag-host ng ganyan eh. Kaya pagtatawa na wala sa
We just know your
trabaho lang
message
naman.
to the song. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a round of applause to Dewey and Betsy.
Gusto ng tao ni Tito eh. Ay, sorry.
Pareho kayo ng tawa pa kasal.
We going down, babe. Tignan ganun yung konti.
Hindi, upload ko yan sa YouTube.
Ay, ubos na yung ano ko. Ay, magulo. Magulo. Mali. Huwag kayo nanginginig nga eh.
Bessie.
oh.
I will love you from this moment on.